Gopala, Govinda Gopala, Gokula Nandana Gopala. Goda Govinda,
Goda Govinda.
Goda Govinda,
Goda Govinda.
Goda Govinda Vatsala.
Goda Govinda Sri Vidya.
Vatsala, you know what? When I see these little children, I'm reminded of one little girl. One little girl who loved Krishna so much. Do you know that girl?
You also love Krishna? Oh, is she? Wait. Is she that girl who became a goddess later on?
Yes.
Oh.
This is about a girl who loved Krishna so much and she became a goddess.
I know that story.
Please tell that story, Vatsala.
Yeah. So, long ago, in a town called Srivilliputturu. What is the town?
Srivilliputturu.
There was an uncle. That uncle name was Periyarvar. Periyarvar was a Krishna devotee. He loved Krishna. He had a beautiful garden, and in the garden he had jasmine plant, he had aparajita plant, he had kanakambaram plant, and he had tulasi plant. Every day he would collect the flowers, make a beautiful garland, and he would offer it to Krishna. Yeah. But making those garlands, that was not his work. He had other things to do. But still, he would find time every day to make one garland and offer it to Krishna. He loved Krishna so much. Okay. One day, what happened? He was in the garden plucking flowers. Okay, he was plucking flowers, and suddenly he heard one strange sound. He looked under the jasmine plant. He looked under the aparajita plant. He looked under the kanakambaram plant. Finally, under the tulasi plant, there was a baby. It's okay. You're safe now. It's okay. He found a baby girl under the tulasi plant. And the baby girl, he raised it as his own. He named her Kodai. He named her
Kodai.
It was a beautiful baby girl. And as he loved Krishna, so he would tell her all the stories of Krishna. How Krishna grew up, how Krishna used to play naughty tricks, how Krishna grew up in Vrindavan. He used to tell all these stories to Kodai. And Kodai would love these things. And from a young age, the love for Krishna was instilled in her mind. And whenever he would tell one small story of Krishna, Kodai would say, Appa, if I was in Vrindavan, I will also play with Krishna. She used to be so excited whenever she heard anything about Krishna.
Now Kodai used to make garlands along with her father. Whenever her father used to make garlands, plucking the flowers, you should not mix the different flowers. So the right flowers he would pick, sort them by colors, and pick white flowers once, pick red flowers once, pick green flowers once. So this way, when they made a garland, Kodai would also join them. One day, it so happened that her father was not in the house. That time, she thought she got an idea. She cried. And she took the garland that was meant for Lord Krishna and she wore that garland. Then she looked at herself in the mirror. Aha! I look so wonderful. This garland looks so wonderful on me. If this looks so nice on me, definitely it will look very nice on my Krishna. My Krishna deserves the best. I'm not going to give him any garland just like that. He is going to wear the garland that is favorite to me. This way, before our father came, before our father returned, put it back on the table. The next day, same thing happened. Her father was away and she continued to do this. Only Krishna and Kodai knew this secret. This happened for the next day, and for many days after that. Until one day, can you really keep a secret from your parents for long? No. Periyalvar caught her. Kodai, how dare you wear something that is meant for the Lord? Do we eat the prasada before offering to Bhagwan? Do we wear the garland that is to be offered to the God at the temple? No, you can only take prasada.
But Appa, I want to give the best garland to Krishna. If it looks good on me, it will look good on him. We should check the garland, no, before giving.
This is not right. This has never happened before. Okay? I am going to make a fresh garland, Periyalvar said. He picked the flowers again and he made a fresh garland. He was in such a hurry, they were getting late. He had to go to the temple. And then he went and offered it to the temple. He didn't speak to Kodai that night. And he just went to bed. Periyalvar! Periyalvar! Who is calling me? Periyalvar opened his eyes. Here, see, I'm Mahavishnu. Why did you not give me the garland given by Kodai? Why did you give me a fresh garland? Said Mahavishnu. I like the garland that is worn by Kodai. Please, from tomorrow, you have to give me only that garland that has been worn by Kodai. That is what I like. Is this even true? What just happened? Kodai! 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 Kodai, my child, my darling. You know, you are a very special one to Krishna. Krishna really loves you, doesn't he? He decided to accept something which is not regular, which is not ordinary. You are an extraordinary child, Kodai. From tomorrow onwards, from today onwards, we will offer only the garland that is worn by you to Krishna, he said.
And thus, Krishna's love for Krishna in Kodai's mind became stronger and stronger and deeper and deeper. Kodai spoke about Krishna, she sang about Krishna, and she dreamt about Krishna. Everything was about Krishna for her. One day she grew a little bit older, and one day she gathered all her friends. Like you are there, like you. So many kids were there in her village. She gathered all of them and she said, let's all pretend that this is Vrindavan and let's go and pray to Krishna. Let's go and meet Krishna.
What are you saying, Kodai? What will we do in a temple? Do we all know how to do puja? Do we all know how to pray? Only if kids go to the temple, how will we pray, Kodai? We don't know any puja. Only parents in our home, elders in our home do this puja.
Don't worry. My father has taught me very simple steps. Okay, I will teach you and I'll teach you all of you also. Okay, we'll learn and we'll do it. Let's sing a song for this. Okay, we'll sing a song and we'll learn the puja. Okay, Govinda Gopala Gokula Nandana Gopala
Govinda Gopala Gokula Nandana Gopala
Veliyum Tuya Nilayai Vakum Manamum Parisuttamai Nalla Angodu Yamane Varipattal Avanidaipaan Uvaittu Pasurangal Sonnal Avan Mகிழ்ந்திடுவான் இதை அறிவீர் குழந்தைகளே இதை அறிவீர் குழந்தைகளே Govinda Gopala Gokula
Nandana Gopala.
What did Kodai teach?
She said we should keep our mind and body clean. Step 1, what is the step 1? We should keep our mind and body clean.
And then we should offer just one flower at our temple or our puja at our home. Okay, and then just recite one shloka or a simple prayer that you can on that particular day. And what does Krishna love the most? His names. Sing his name, sing his bhajan, and think of him all day.
This way, Andal taught, Kodai taught her friends a simple 4-step process, and all of them started praying in their homes. And thus, she was Periyalvar was so happy to see that not only she is doing good things, she is teaching her friends also good things. And then he realized she is not an ordinary child, she is a special one. And he lovingly called her Andal. He lovingly called her
Andal. Many years passed. After many years, Andal, even though she was still a little girl, slightly much older, her thoughts were always with Bhagwan. Her thoughts were always with Krishna. So eventually she went into her favorite temple and she said, I want to be with you always, Krishna. And she merged with Krishna's idol forever. That is the story of Andal. In temples in Tamil Nadu or Telangana, even today, this Kodai, she is called Goda Devi. She has a kili in her hand, her parrot in her hand. She is called Goda Devi or Andal. Govinda
Gopala, Gokula Nandana Gopala,
Govinda